Hello friend, today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful tall, large lobby arrangement, or you can call it a stage, altar, for wedding, funeral, reception, any area you may use this beautiful arrangement. Let's watch together. Okay friend, let's start with this beautiful large stage arrangement. This stage arrangement can go anywhere around wedding, even for funeral. So I will always start with long primary flower. Primary flower creates line of your design. So when we do primary, we can have height and width of our arrangement for any area that this arrangement will go. Larkspur, white larkspur are very practical for any primary arrangement that you do or for any primary design that you do. I would like to put this in center of arrangement. This is round, not one-sided, so you are going to create design around your center, which is this larkspur goes. Larkspurs are very nice summer flower. I always use them in my arrangement for primary, and they are coming in white, purple, pink. So just make sure your arrangement goes nice and large. Height is very important. I will put some more in lower section to create my depth of arrangement. So I am coming all the way this way and this way. I will add few more to have nicer depth. And next step is I would like to start with beautiful hydrangea. They are primary in our arrangement, but also I can use as a secondary in this big arrangement. I will bring the depth out. They are very nice, large. Yeah, hydrangea, they need a lot of water, so make sure your arrangement gets water as much as you can. I am going to use chromone. Chromones are also mass flower and primary, but in some certain arrangement like this, a stage arrangement, we can use them as a secondary. So we complete our line with chromone. They can come different color, but as I use white in this arrangement. But you can use any color. Chromone, they are coming all different color, natural color, not dyed. They are mostly from chrysanthemum family. Chrysanthemum family, they have beautiful color naturally, and they long lasting, very much long lasting. Their vase life sometimes goes over 2 weeks, maybe even up to 3 weeks. They are very nice, they open big, and they show their beauty very, very good. White rose that I can open them. You have seen in my previous videos. You put your finger, one finger on top of petals and one finger under, and you try to open them very naturally. They open beautiful like gardenia, as you have seen in my different videos. I use all kind of Ecuadorian and Colombian roses. This rose called Vendela, that they are very, very beautiful. So I will go in between two primaries, you see that. Every flower, they need their own attention from designer. I wanted for you to give this attention to every flower. Again, I go inside of each rose individually, and I make sure I fill up area between secondary and primary. Make sure they are not folded. Petals need to be very naturally out. I try to do this arrangement round, so every area needs to be exact same, but also this can go any area that it's a stage. Most of altar and stage arrangement can be round or one-sided. I have some beautiful stock, as always I use. The stock is very nice, it smells good, really gorgeous. The stock is also primary flower. Again, for this large, beautiful arrangement, I use a stock. They can manage shape perfectly with our tall primary. Try to get the leaves out, it's nicer when they show their beauty without leaf. So they can cover mechanic and they can cover any open area on top. The stock is very good filler for this arrangement. Will cover a lot of mechanic. If I have any open area, especially in front, back will cover with few hydrangea. I will show you a little bit, and then a little bit of greenery. But front is very important, so we wanted to make sure front, this area is covered. I have spray roses I can go in between. Touch of greenish white, they are very beautiful. They are perfect filler for our open area. You see here and here. I have a little bit gap here and I have few also in the back. So let's start with this area. Actually, I need to cut it a little bit shorter to go here. And I have few more in the back, of course, or side. And that is job of secondary and filler. I use this beautiful spray rose as a filler. I will fill up those areas, just like you do in any other arrangement. That is job of filler. They enhance the design and they fill up the area. Side and back is also needs to be same. I have more empty area. I'm gonna add maybe cromone or roses. Also, I have dusty miller as a filler or greenery. Greenery, any kind of green that they last from your yard, from anywhere, you can use as long as you trust that they last long and nice. So we'll cover mechanic as much as you want. Especially these dusty millers are very nice. The colors are very good and they hang any way that you want. I love to use dusty miller. It's very easy to grow, I noticed. They need water and sun, and that's all basically. I will add some more roses for front area and side area to cover more. One more maybe in that area. And then I will add some in front also. Try to open it very nice. I have more here and some in the side. I will show you side also and back. Find a place to put it. Oh, yeah, this is perfect. I think we are good. The side and front. Okay, this is our finished product. I started with primary, flower, secondary flower, and filler for this large, round, every-sided arrangement. For any area, any occasion, you can use this as a lobby stage. For any occasion, this arrangement can be used. As you see, it's full and tall and nice enough. If you like to learn more information and learn more about this type of design, you can visit us at minadesignschool.com, or please subscribe this channel. Thank you.